Okay, so I'm over by Casey's house on Blueberry, and it's raining quite hard, has been raining all night. And here is a drain down at the end of Blueberry. It is getting lots of action. Look at all of that oyster shell that has washed away into this area. And then this is the path behind Kelly's house, very wet also, because it's the hill, you know, everything washes down the hill into our circle. And in the case of the drain over there's another drain over here hiding under there, and you can see that, well, it's kind of hard to see, but there's an amazing amount of water that comes kind of across the path up by the Andersons and then moves down all the way past Kelly's house, and some of it goes into the drain, but the most of it comes down into the circle. The bog is back. Check this out. Just amazing. Also, too much water for the bog to hold, so it actually continues down into the forest. So it's, you know, I don't know, at some point it starts to back up because the forest is a little higher right there. But yeah, just amazing how, that's why I put bog plants down here. That poor little maple right there, I don't know, never gonna be a great specimen, but some of these other plants don't mind it, especially the Gunnera. Okay, flooding in Seabrook 101.